Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back. So today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are going to be super easy, quick, take almost no time to bake. Absolutely easy. So easy a kid can make them. Before we get started, here's a little joke for you. Why did the cookie go to the hospital? Because he felt crummy. Oh, all right. Terrible. All right, without further ado, let's get cooking. So to start, we're going to add 2 cups of flour, 3/4 a cup of cocoa powder.
Whoa. Sorry.
1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're just going to mix that up.
Oh my gosh. I'm eating the mess of my Papa. Papa's gone.
For the wet ingredients, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 1 cup of softened butter, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, and then we're just going to mix it. So once you get your wet ingredients all combined, what we're going to do is we're going to slowly add our dry ingredients, and we're going to slowly dump it in. And then so once you get your dry ingredients into the bowl, what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips, and then 1/2 cup of chopped pecans.
He's gonna mix them up.
You're going to mix it up, that's right. So then we're just going to mix it up like she said. So once you give it a nice little taste test, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start forming the balls for the dough. So we're going to start off by using a ice cream scooper and just scoop balls out onto the cookie sheet. So once we get our balls, what we're going to do is we're just going to take a fork and we're just going to push it down on both ways. Just kind of give it a more flat pattern. So once you get your desired cookie shape, what we're going to do is we're just going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we have the hardest part of all, which is waiting for these cookies to cool for about 10 minutes.
We got some chocolate cookies.
Like she said, we have our chocolate cookies. So you ready to try them?
Okay.
You go and pick which one you want. Oh, you want that one? How is it?
It's good. It's really sweet.
Yes, it is really sweet. So these cookies are absolutely delicious. They're a little on the gooey side. Now, if you don't like your cookies to be that gooey, what you can do is you can just substitute the brown sugar with white sugar, and then just do all white sugar. Basically, that'll just make it not as gooey. But I like it on the gooey side, and they're just absolutely delicious. Perfect blend of the nuts with the chocolate.
Press the button. Say goodbye.
All right, so if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.